Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in this session we are going to discuss a little bit interesting fact about the 7-second, and also we are going to discuss very important information also through the session. So what is this 7-second and how it impact in our career path? So this is the main intention for this session. So let's start the session. So just imagine you are the job seeker. You are looking a good opportunity from one of the best companies like any other client side or consultant side. So just you are sent your CV to the HR or recruiter for that organization. Okay, so it's called like a hook. So you are making a hook to the HR, you are sending your CV to the HR or recruiter, you are requesting for the job opportunity. The interesting fact is, we can say the recent researchers from the Google, any companies, HR or recruiters, they are reviewing any candidate CVs for only 7 seconds. So that is the very important information for us. So through the 7 seconds, the HR will make the decision, the initial decision, so we can hire the candidate or not. So this is a very important key point. So we have to understand something through the 7 seconds, how to impress the HR. So this is our main intention for this session. So let's discuss how we impress the HR through the 7 seconds. We have to publish the 4 key points to the HR through the 7 seconds. So the first point is, we have to very clearly mention our overall experiences. We have to mention our overall experience very boldly. So the first impression, if any HR look your CV, so point 1 is the HR will be clearly understand, okay, you have this much experience, something like this. So we have to clearly visualize our overall experience. And also the second point is your key skills. So for example, you apply for any other procurement manager role or something like this. So you have to very clearly visualize the key points, key skill for the procurement. Apply for any other contract or commercial manager roles. You have to clearly visualize in your CV the main key skill within the 7 seconds. So this is point 2. The point 3 is project types. So which type of the project you have worked previously, something like this. For example, we can say HR or recruiter expected from the candidate for some high-rise building project. So you also you are the candidate, so you apply for the job opportunity. So you have also the high-rise building experience in your previous companies. So you have to mention which type of the project you are working, something like this. So we can say the high-rise building project, infrastructure project, airport project, something like this. So this is the key point number 3. And also the point number 4 is work location. So which location you worked previously, you have to mention very clearly. Some recruiters, they expected you have to work in Dubai for 3 years or 4 years, something. They have some requirement. So that's why you have to clearly mention the work location. So these 4 key points you have to visualize to HR through your CV within 7 seconds. So that is the very important key point. So how we visualize these 4 points within 7 seconds to the HR? So this is the major question. So we can make our CV so we have to make like this, the 3 lines in top of your CV. So in the CV it clearly mention overall experience. So you can see here, we can say the overall, this one is 10 years or something, or 20 years, you can mention like this. Overall 10 or 20 years of the wealth experience. For these ones are the key skills. So what are the key skills available? We can say project delivery, cost, commercial, procurement and contract administration for the pre and post contract activities. So this is the key skill. The third one is the type of the project. So you are working like residential, hotel and spa, real estate and tourism and hospitality development project. So this one is the type of the project. And also we clearly mention in the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia and Sri Lanka. So we mentioned the work location. So this work location, we previously worked something. We just visualize to the HR these 4 main information through the 7 seconds. So once you prepared like this, so HR will easily understand and we have the chance to get the interview for this opportunity. Okay guys, this is the main information through this session. So connect with us. We have to publish many sessions in the future also.